Hi, I am your friend Avinash and today's video topic is JVM Architecture. JVM is the part of the JRE. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Virtual machine is nothing but the uh, software simulation of machine that can perform the same operation as that of the real machine. JVM architecture includes many parts. First part is class loader subsystem. Uh, uh, Class loader subsystem performs three main activities, that is loading, linking, and initialization. Uh, in loading, in loading, uh, JVM loads the classes. JVM loads the classes into the method area, whereas the after the loading, the dot class file immediately after loading the dot class file, immediately JVM will create an object of class to represent class level information on the heap memory. Now the next step is linking. Linking consists of three activities, that is verification, preparation, and resolution. In verification, it is the process of ensuring that the class is structurally correct or not, and whether the dot class file is generated by a valid compiler or not. Now the next is preparation. In this phase, JVM will allocate memory for the class level static variables and assign default values. Now the next step is the resolution. It is the process of replace the symbolic references used by the loaded type with actual references, original references. Now the third activity of class loader subsystem is initialization. In the initialization phase, all the static variables will be assigned with its original value, and static blocks will be executed from top to bottom. Now the next part of JVM is the execution engine. It is the execution is the central component of JVM. It is responsible to execute Java class file. It contains two main components, interpreter and JIT compiler. Interpreter reads the byte code and interprets into the machine code, and interpret into the machine code. Now the next is the JIT compiler. JIT compiler compiles the JIT compiler. It is also called just-in-time compiler. It compiles the machine code into the native code. Now the remaining part of the JVM architecture are JVM memory. Memory includes heap memory, method area, heap memory, and runtime stack. Next part is the PC register area, and the last one is the native method stack. Thank you. That's all about the JVM architecture.